In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to limit adult websites on your kids' Apple devices. Limiting access to adult websites on an iPhone is essential to protect children from exposure to inappropriate content that can negatively impact their mental and emotional development. To do this, simply head to your phone settings. On the settings page, select on Screen Time. You will then scroll onto the option of Content and Privacy Restrictions. Select on Content Restrictions. In the section of Web Content, make sure to mark on Limit Adult Websites. Make sure to enter examples on websites you want to get recommended, and also websites you don't want to be allowed on your device. By restricting access, parents help ensure a safer online environment, reducing the risk of addiction and safeguarding their child's well-being. That's how easy it is to limit adult content on your Apple device. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.